Are you thinking about purchasing a new home in 2025? New construction is certainly an option that you want to consider. When choosing new construction, you usually are offered numerous advantages, which is why more and more buyers are making that shift as opposed to resale. Let's dive into the top reasons that new builds are gaining in popularity. Number one, in a new home, you can avoid renovations or problems with plumbing or electrical. A new home means everything is up to code and brand new. Oftentimes, these homes come with up to a 10-year warranty, lessening the fear and burden of costly repairs after purchasing. Second is the ability to choose and customize your design features. You can select finishes and layouts that reflect your personal style. Number three, the new and modern amenities of new home construction are also appealing. Many new developments offer perks like parks, pools, and fitness centers, and we're also seeing an uptick of modern neighborhoods with trails and pickleball courts for the community to enjoy. Number four is the lack of inventory of previously owned homes. With fewer existing homes available, new builds provide you with more options. Also, new homes are often offering lower interest rates. We're seeing them in the 4s and 5s, which is much below market, and it significantly increases your buying power. Number 5 is energy efficiency and smart home features. Modern homes are designed to save energy, and you have the latest and greatest in technology. Just imagine skipping the hassle of renovations and having the freedom to pick the exact features that you want for your family. If this all sounds good, let's connect. It's essential to have an agent on your side to help with negotiations with the builder, accountability in the contractors, and ensuring you can buy a new home with absolute confidence.